Document user-defined fields. Company. Change company settings. User-defined fields. Documents and transactions. When you enter transaction, you can enter information of transaction. Furthermore, if you want to add more information about your transaction, you can use this user-defined fields. You can add additional fields for customer quotation, customer sales orders, customer tax invoice, customer credit note, banking transactions, journals, supplier purchase orders, supplier invoices and supplier returns. There are two types of fields. Text values. You can enter an alphanumeric description up to 50 characters. Date values. You can enter date. For an example, if you want to add follow-up date to customer quotations, you can add follow-up date by using date user-defined field. After that, when you enter customer quotation, go to option, show user-defined fields. You can see date user fields 1 has changed to follow-up date. You can select the follow-up date and save. Like that, you can change these user-defined field label names from here. After that, click Save.